Nobody signs up for a loveless relationship. You didn't wake up one day and think, I'd love to feel nothing for my partner. But here's the truth no one tells you. Love isn't always the guest of honor at the table for two. Sometimes the butterflies die, the excitement fades, and you're left with something that looks like a relationship but feels like a roommate situation. It's more common than you think, and it's not your fault. You know that thrill when your partner's name pops up on your phone? When that's replaced with a feeling of meh, you're flatlining. It's not just missing butterflies. It's like the butterflies have left the building entirely. Then comes the silence. Not the comfortable kind. The kind where conversations have shrunk to, what's for dinner? And did you feed the dog? The silence says everything. And the bedroom? Physical closeness has taken a backseat. Not just sex, the small touches, cuddles, the little moments that keep you connected. When those disappear, so does something essential. Affection starts feeling awkward. Holding hands or a quick peck used to be reflex. Now it feels forced, like you're both allergic to warmth. When discussions about your life together feel like talking about a trip to Mars, that's a red flag. You might also notice you're finding more joy in solo activities than anything you do as a couple. A night alone with your phone seems more appealing than time with them.
And here's a big one.
You've stopped arguing. Not because you've found peace, but because you've stopped caring enough to fight. That's not harmony. That's apathy. Why this happens? So, how does a relationship get here? Sometimes it's slow neglect. Life gets busy. You stop prioritizing each other. The daily grind replaces daily connection. Sometimes it's unresolved conflict. You stop fighting because fighting never changed anything, so you just exist together. Sometimes it's growing in different directions. You're not the same people who fell in love. And that's okay, but ignoring it isn't. Staying in a loveless relationship doesn't protect you. It slowly erodes your self-worth, your joy, and your sense of what love can be. How to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Have the honest conversation. Not accusatory, just real. I've noticed we feel distant. I miss us. Can we talk about what's happening? Step 2. Identify what's missing. Is it emotional intimacy? Physical touch? Shared excitement? Be specific. Vague problems can't be solved. Step 3. Reintroduce small gestures. You don't need a grand romantic reset. Start with a genuine compliment, a touch on the shoulder, asking about their day, and actually listening. Step 4. Create shared experiences. Try something new together. A class, a hike, a weekend away. Novelty can reignite connection. Step 5. Consider counseling. Sometimes you need a neutral guide. There's no shame in getting help. When to walk away. Not every loveless relationship can be fixed. If you've tried, you've communicated, you've made effort, and nothing changes, you have to ask yourself a hard question. Is this how you want to feel for the rest of your life? It's a cage you're choosing to stay in. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do for both of you is to let go. Not with bitterness, with honesty. You deserve to feel alive in your relationship, not just present. You are not put on this earth to feel invisible in your own relationship. Recognize the signs. Have the hard conversations. Try to fix it if there's something worth saving. But if there's not, give yourself permission to go. You deserve a love that doesn't feel like a chore.